The Bible, one of the most influential and widely read books of all time, contains profound teachings that transcend time and culture. Among its many valuable lessons, love, compassion, and unity stand out as fundamental principles that shape our relationships with others and with the divine. In this article, we will delve into the Bible's teachings on these essential aspects of human existence, unraveling their importance and exploring the impact they can have on our lives. Unraveling the lessons, discovering love's role in biblical teachings. Throughout the Bible, love appears as a central theme, guiding believers towards a life of selflessness and empathy. The teachings emphasize that love is not merely an emotion but an action, requiring individuals to love both God and their neighbors. Jesus himself proclaimed, "Love your neighbor as yourself," encapsulating the essence of biblical teachings on love. This concept of love extends beyond the boundaries of personal relationships and calls for compassion towards even the most marginalized members of society. The Bible teaches that love knows no bounds, encouraging believers to extend acts of kindness and mercy to strangers, widows, orphans, and foreigners. By embracing love as a guiding principle, individuals can create a more harmonious and inclusive society, free from prejudice and discrimination. Fostering unity and compassion, exploring the Bible's profound message. Unity and compassion are closely intertwined in the Bible, as they form the foundation for harmonious relationships and a just society. The scriptures stress the importance of unity among believers, urging them to make every effort to keep the unity of the Spirit through the bond of peace. This unity allows individuals to work together towards a common goal, spreading love and compassion throughout the world. Compassion, another vital aspect of biblical teachings, calls individuals to empathize with the suffering of others and take action to alleviate their pain. The Bible teaches that true compassion involves more than just feeling sympathy. It requires believers to actively engage in acts of service and charity. By fostering unity and compassion, the Bible offers a powerful message of hope, urging believers to extend a helping hand to those in need and create a more compassionate and just society. Embracing the teachings. The teachings of love, compassion, and unity in the Bible hold immense value for individuals seeking guidance and fulfillment in their lives. By unraveling these lessons and understanding their significance, we can unlock a profound source of wisdom that transcends time and cultural boundaries. Through acts of love, compassion, and unity, we have the power to transform our relationships and create a more inclusive and harmonious world. Let us embrace these teachings and strive to spread love, compassion, and unity in our daily lives, making a positive impact on those around us.